So I got this Jeep siren and just trying to figure out how to do the install. It says here in the instructions that I should be able to install it without removing the battery. The plug should be somewhere here behind the battery. I noticed there's a screw over there, so if I'm able to take this plastic piece off, I might be able to get to the plug. Now the screw is out. I think this plastic should just pop out. And you're able to slide the plastic all the way down here. So now you have everything visible. And the plug, it's right under there, this one. Okay, here I have the siren installed, and there's plenty of room over there. Just used double-sided tape, M3. In addition to the double-sided tape, I also used a couple of zip ties. Now we can try it out. We have the sound.